Good morning. Good morning. How are you? आप सब कैसे हो? I hope you all are good. All right, kids, let's start the class. Everyone, kindly sit properly in front of the screen. Okay? And when we are doing our prayer, no, so you all have to sing along with ma'am. ठीक है? अभी हमारे स्कूल में अगर प्रेयर होती है तो हम लोग करते हैं ना साथ में. So you all have to sing along with ma'am. All right, Prajwal. Okay. So kids, now let's start the class. Okay, we'll sing together. Start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. Now we're going to sing the song Mulberry Bush. All right? Chalo, come on, let's sing it together. Start. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. This is the way we take a bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dress ourselves, dress ourselves, dress ourselves. This is the way we dress ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we walk to school, walk to school, walk to school. This is the way we walk to school early in the morning. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. Okay, kids. So, kids, let's talk about now how you are sitting. Tanav, sit properly in the class. Sit properly. Yes. So today the date is 26 July 2021. The date is 26 July 2021 and the day is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday, कल Sunday था, तो आज कौन सा डे हुआ? Today is Monday. Okay, which day is today? Today is Monday. All right, kids. Now, how many days are there in a week? Come on. एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? How many days? Yes, Garvit, very good. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Come on, let's say it together. Advika, where are you, beta? Adjust the camera so that I can see you. All right, let's start. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. All right. Now, kids, you tell me how many months are there in a year? Year means एक साल. एक साल में कितने months होते हैं? How many months? There are 12 months in a year. How many months are there? 12. Okay. So let's say with ma'am. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. All right. So now, kids, let's move further and do our work. So come on, get your English copy. Kids, come on, get your English copy. And one more thing, kids, you have to cover your mouth. While you are sneezing, yawning, coughing, anything, आपको अपना मुंह cover करना है. All right? These are etiquettes. Chalo, come on, get your English copy. And what ma'am is used to say every day, okay, first of all, before starting your work, before starting any of your work, you have to write down the date of that particular day. ठीक है ना? आप जिस दिन जो काम कर रहे हो, you have to write down the date of that day. So today is 26/7/2021. Come on, get your English copy and write down the date. The date is 26/7/2021. July is the 7th month. That is why we had written 7 here in the date instead of July. Come on, everyone, write down today's date. Navya, cover your mouth. And one more thing, kids, kindly sit after wearing your uniform. And if you have any genuine reason कि मैम इसलिए uniform नहीं है, so you tell me. Otherwise, you should wear the uniform. Or ma'am has said to us to remove them from the class, those who are not wearing the uniform. If you have any kind of genuine reason, then you let me know. Okay, so written, kids, written the date. Chalo. So everyone pay attention. We are talking about this and that. है ना? We are learning about this and that. So first of all, revise it and then we'll move further. So this and that. मैम ने आपको बताया था ये the thing which is near to us. ऐसी चीज जो हमारे पास है, for that thing we use this. उस चीज के लिए हम लिखेंगे this. ठीक है? But अगर कोई चीज हमसे दूर है, something is far away from us, तो उसके लिए we use that. ठीक है? पास वाली चीज के लिए we use this and दूर वाली चीज के लिए we use that. Okay? We are going to write the question and answers of this and that. जैसे हम हिंदी में प्रश्न उत्तर लिखते हैं, in that way we have to write question and answer of this and that. So let's start. So those who have set copies with them, yes. So those who don't have the set copies with them, you can write after looking here. Okay. I'm writing questions also here along with the answer. Or जिनके पास copy already set है, then you don't have to write the question. Okay. Yes, Garvit, you want to say something? Better unmute.
Ma'am, ये 19 तारीख से बाहर गया हुआ था, तो इसकी कॉपियां सेट नहीं हो रही है, तो कैसे करवाऊं मैं इसको?
हाँ, ऑल राइट। तो मैम यू गॉट द पीडीएफ वन डे प्रायर, नो? आपको पीडीएफ एक दिन पहले मिल जाती है, या तो आप पहले उसे हेडिंग लिखवा सकते हैं वन डे प्रायर, ठीक है? अगर नहीं तो आई एम राइटिंग इट हियर, आप कॉपी कर लीजिए। गर्वित, यू कॉपी फ्रॉम हियर, फ्रॉम द बोर्ड, ठीक है? वैसे भी फ्रॉम नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कॉल फॉर द कॉपी, यू ओनली write the questions and everything. Otherwise, how they are going to become independent? अगर आपका बच्चा स्लो राइटर है, ही स्लो राइटर और शी स्लो राइटर, तो आप उसे वन डे प्रायर भी लिखवा सकते हैं, हेडिंग वॉट एवर आंसर्स छोड़कर, ठीक है? आप यू गॉट द पीडीएफ वन डे प्रायर, इफ यू वांट आप वन डे प्रायर उसे हेडिंग लिखवा सकते हैं बिठाकर, बट द स्टूडेंट हैव टू राइट दैट, ठीक है ना? यू डोंट राइट। चलो, ऑल राइट, राइट डाउन द हेडिंग। Question and answer. It is good if you ask your child to write the heading and all one day prior. So हमारा टाइम उससे थोड़ा बच जाएगा। Write down the heading, question, answer. Question, answer. Okay. Then question 1. Question, answer, this and that also you can write, because in the PDF I had written question, answer of this and that. अगर आप इतना बड़ा नहीं भी लिखोगे and just you write question, answer, so that is also okay. Okay. Question 1. W-H-A-T, what? W-H-A-T, what? I-S is T-H-I-S, this. And question mark, what is this? Write down the question. What is this? What is this? Because the tree is near, क्योंकि tree पास है, for that we are using this. What is this? In case of any problem, any kind of doubt, kindly ask me. ठीक है? So, answer. अब listen, what is this? तो हम start करेंगे यहाँ से. We'll start from here. ठीक है? Question में लिखा है ना what is this? So we'll start from here. This is. This is a tree. Full stop. This is a tree. What is this? Question है क्या ये क्या है? तो हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. We have to start from here. This is a tree. From the question you have to write. ठीक है? What is this लिखा है? What is this? This is written there. So you have to start from here. This is a tree. Okay. What is this? So we start from here. This is a tree. Read it and write it. आराम से उसे read करो first, then write it. What is this? This is a tree. You have to start answer from here. Okay. Then after writing this, leave one line. आपको नीचे की एक line छोड़नी है. Okay. After writing the question answer, you have to leave one line. Make a cross over there. Why we are making the cross? For the reason that you don't have to write anything here in this line. Shall we move further? Done, everyone? Swasti, Myra and Harshit, switch on the camera. No one is allowed to sit in the class with their camera off. Harshit and Arav, you too. All right. So, kids, can I erase it? Chalo. The next one. Question 2. Now, the next one is WHAT, what? IS is THET, the at, that. What is that? Okay, so what is that? What is that? That is a ball. That is a ball. Why we had used that here? Because the that is far. Ball जो है वो दूर है. That is why we have used that here. ठीक है? What is that? तो अभी हमने जैसे ये आंसर लिखा, in the same way we have to write. We have to start from here. That is a ball. Simple. That is a ball. What is that? So we have to write that is a ball. Read and write. The at that is a ball ball. What is that? That is a ball. Harshit, switch on the camera. Harshit. Gaurav. What is that? That is a ball. We have used that here because the ball is far. क्योंकि ball दूर है, that is why we had used that here. Yes, Jasdeep, wait for others also to complete. What is that? That is a ball. Then again, you have to leave one line. आपको एक line leave करनी है. You have to leave one line. Then question 3 is, what is this? What is this? So what is this? This is a star. THIS, this. IS is a STAR, star. Look, there is one blend, ST stop. Yes, those who have completed, just wait. What is this? So you have to start from here. This is a star. हमने this क्यों use करा है यहाँ पर? Because the star is near to us. Star जो है वो near है. That's why we had used this. जो चीज पास होती है उसके लिए we use this, and जो चीज दूर होती है which is far उसके लिए we use that. So what is this? This is a star. Acha, one more thing, parents. Tomorrow I am going to take the test of this and that. Fill in the blanks. Okay? जैसे हमने book और copy में करा था, in the same way. Tomorrow I am going to take the test of English, this and that. The fill-ups you have to learn. Okay? What is this? This is a star.